Thought I'd give you a tour of the layout as it stands today. Still under construction. I'll just let you take it in. Don't mind things out of place here and there. People knocked over. But you get the gist. I want you to just have a minute to appreciate the layout. Hopefully appreciate the layout. So much more to do with detailing, backdrop, new structures on the extension. You can see here where I joined the sections. I got the ties in. I painted the rails and ties. I repaired the fences. Actually worked out 'cause it makes that fence look like it's been kind of ripped and rusted. This one, what I did is I put a metal, kind of like a bollard, if you will. So if anybody bumps it, because this one's made out of styrene and wetting tool. And then I'll probably paint this end yellow, put a little sign, warning sign, so crews don't hit it. But yeah, once I fill in this earth and ballast, you won't even know that layout was split. Anyway, back to the layout. I think I'm going to do a 5-car switching challenge. Drive for 5 to get us to 5,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. Fascia with all the turnout controls and DCC controls. Try to put maps around the controls so anyone who maybe is not familiar with the layout, they know what they're doing based on those maps. Everything's labeled. Got the track laid on the extension, main line and elongated siding for the maintenance away. So there you go. Stay tuned for the Drive for 5 contest, which will be submitting videos with a hashtag, and the videos will have to be switching 5 cars in under 5 minutes. Editing allowed, of course. Stay tuned. Cheers.